Hey, John Tyler here with another little discovery of mine on smoke detectors. I have bought the First Alert model P-1210 and it has a 10-year battery life. The problem with it is this. In a month or two, the alarm goes off at 3 o'clock in the morning. You don't know why. So you take it down, which I did, and I figured, okay, it's bad. I went to Lowe's, bought another P-1210 because it would screw into the same place with a 10-year battery. In less than 2 weeks, beep, beep, beep goes off, wakes up everybody in the house, and out we come running. I took it down. The third time I bought one of these and it went off almost immediately, I brought it, even though they're $30 a piece, I brought it out to my garage where my trash bucket is located. I put it in the vise, tightened it up, put 2 big screwdrivers in there, ripped all of them apart, and threw them in the trash. I then found that a highly rated smoke and carbon monoxide detector you could buy at Amazon for about $30, the same money. Here it is here, the KIDDE, K-I-D-D-E, 900 CUDR. I install that. I don't believe I'm going to have a problem. And the reviews on the KIDDE 900 CUDR are really, really good. Hardly any problems at all. But the reviews on the First Alert model P-1210 are all over the place, meaning they go off in a month, they go off in 6 months, what's with the 10-year battery? And the problem is, if you keep returning it to Lowe's, then the next sucker in there that buys one, like me, I'm getting something that was returned because they pushed a button. Everything seemed to work okay, but they're intermittent. And I used to fix TVs. Intermittent problems are very difficult to find. So rather than restock the same old broken First Alert P-1210, or even if the new ones, if they're telling me that the new ones, they keep replenishing with new ones, then the First Alert model P-1210, stay away from it. Save yourself the money. See you later.